This is a 1973 Harley Davidson Ironhead Sportster. It's an XLCH. It's a kickstart only model and it's a project. The gear select on it, clutch works, back brake works. The front one feels like it needs bleeding at least. Looks like it probably needs a bit of wiring work. It turns over alright from where the kickstart is. I've made no attempt to start it. It looks like it needs too much work just for starting it. Got the fuel pipes off as well. It's matching numbers, which is a good thing. So if you fancy a project, this will be on eBay.